सन लागे बूंदा दिया So guys, it's raining outside and I thought of a Bandish. So guess the Raag and write me in the comments which Raag do you think it is. I will see you guys soon. Today I reveal the answer to the quiz, the Raag in which the Bandish was sung, Barsan Lagi. And the answer is Raag Desh. So a big shout out to everyone who participated and got it right. As I said, it was raining. I thought you guys would guess Miyan Ki Balhar. But most of you guys are pretty knowledgeable and you answered it correctly. So the thing is, and what's important, the takeaway is that more than the lyrics, what is important is to understand the notations of a bandish or a song. And I believe that our Hindustani classical music is a great foundation. It's very rich and it's good to have the knowledge of Hindustani classical music as it helps us appreciate our notes and appreciate the beauty of every Raag. So what is important to understand if you are just someone who doesn't want to delve into classical music? I believe that something really important to keep in mind or to learn more about is when you talk about a Raag, let's say, in this case, Raag Desh. So what is it that I should know about this Raag? I should know the Aaroh and the Avroh. When I say Aaroh, I mean ascending notes, Avroh meaning descending notes. So in Raag Desh, the Aaroh does not have Ga, does not have Dha, and both the knees are used in this Raag, Ni Shuddh as well as Ni Komal. So while we go, there are 5 notes that have been used, and while coming back, descending notes, all the notes have been used. So all the 7 notes. So Order Sampurn Jati. That's how this Raag is. Another important aspect of this Raag, Re is the Vadi Swar, meaning the most important note of the Raag. The second most important note of the Raag, Samvadi note, is Pa. Another important factor would be what is the emotion that you feel when you listen to this Raag. It gives us a feeling of bhakti, devotion, romance, longing, and it's usually sung in the second half of the night, so between 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. This Raag is based on Khamaj Thaat. So let's take a look at the Aaroh and the Avroh. Ni sa re ma pa ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re ga ni sa. Now we'll take a look at the Challan of the Raag. The Challan or the pakkad of the Raag, it helps us identify the Raag. So this is what this sounds like. So if you notice this particular set of notes, that appears in compositions like Vande Mataram is composed in Raag Desh. So if you can think of that composition, la, 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 Before I leave, I'd like to discuss the intent behind starting my channel. The intent was to bring my Guruji's learnings to you guys for the viewers who do not understand Hindi. So the content is in English, and it is my way of just helping or sharing whatever I have learned from him, which is his way of teaching has been very, very enriching, because he doesn't teach you the run of the mill, starting. He believes that you shouldn't start with a rag. It's more about building your foundation. So the first 2-3 years, you're learning about just your notes and through paltas and alankars. And once you get a good command over the notes, we are able to sing anything possible, whether that's classical music, light music, thumri, ghazal. So it all starts here. All starts with a good foundation. So his style is Patupa, Avrohi Riyaz. I keep talking about it, and I have learned so much. I want to share that knowledge of whatever I have learned. So I hope that my tutorials are helpful to you guys. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you'd like to see more such Raag-based videos, do write to me in the comments and make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you guys soon.